Hey players, so Frumpy Dump and MAGA has gotten the attention of the Supreme Court. Chief Justice Roberts just issued a statement regarding these calls for the impeachment of judges whose rulings they don't agree with. Chief Justice Roberts has said that this is very inappropriate. Grab your tea, let's talk about it. Now, of course, we all know this isn't the first, and it's definitely not going to be the last time that Frumpy Dump has attacked a judge or called for their impeachment. I mean, we saw this play out over and over again over the last 4 years when Frumpy Dump was going through his civil lawsuits as well as his felony indictments. Whenever those judges would come down and give a ruling that Frumpy Dump did not like, he would come on and call them radical left lunatics. He would expose their family and decree and declare that they are somehow affiliated with the Democratic Party. I mean, we have saw this over and over again. And we haven't heard anything from the Supreme Court in regards to Frumpy Dump's actions. But today, apparently Frumpy Dump went too far. And also, they probably have been receiving some type of inquiries regarding the impeachment of these judges. So early this morning, Frumpy Dump took to Devil Is a Lie Social to call for the impeachment of a radical left judge. Now, the judge he's referring to this time is Judge Boasberg. As we all know, over the weekend, Judge Boasberg issued a ruling barring the Frumpy Dump administration from using the Alien Enemies Act to deport over 200 migrants that they allege are gang members. Now, we all know that the Frumpy Dump administration, being as lawless as it is, they continue with those deportation flights, and now they have to answer questions in regards to that and possibly receive sanctions. So Frumpy Dump is pissed to the highest level of festivity, and he took to Devil Is a Lie Social to decree and declare his disgust and disdain for this particular judge. Y'all, so Frumpy Dump posted this unhinged rant this morning, y'all, saying that Barack Obama was not elected president. He didn't win the popular vote by a lot, like he claims. Y'all, let's read some of it. This radical left lunatic of a judge, troublemaker, and agitator who was sadly appointed by Barack Hussein Obama was not elected president. He didn't win the popular vote by a lot. He didn't win all 7 swing states. He didn't win 2,750 to 525 counties. He didn't win anything. I won for many reasons. An overwhelming mandate, but fighting illegal immigrants may have been the #1 reason for this historic victory. He went in on Barack, didn't he? Y'all, that dude is unhinged, ain't he? He can't stand President Barack Obama. He knows he doesn't have he's not suave. He's not debonair. He doesn't have the swag that President Obama has. So he tries at every turn to try to discredit President Obama, but he can't. It's ridiculous. So anyway, Chief Justice Roberts issued a very short statement saying for more than 2 centuries, it has been established that impeachment is not an appropriate response to disagreement concerning a judicial decision. The normal appellate review process exists for that purpose. So that's all that Chief Justice Roberts had to say. At the end of the day, y'all gave this dude unwielding power. He feels like he can do anything. So y'all responsible for all of this bullshit that's coming out from MAGA and Frumpy Dump in regards to this. If you're getting bombarded with inquiries about impeaching judges because they don't agree with them, you are responsible for it because you sat up there and said that Frumpy Dump can do anything as long as it's a presidential act. So an official act of the president. So I don't feel sorry for them continuing to get inquiries when it comes down to this because the Frumpy Dump administration is just going to keep it up. This is going to go on for the next 4 years and beyond. And Chief Justice Roberts in the Supreme Court is one of the reasons why. They made this man feel like he is king because they did that last year. Now they gotta see him. All right, put it in the comments, y'all. It's Double D Bone for the Black News.